if eating helps us stay awake, are we allowed to eat when studying Torah or listening to a shiur?
But what's the purpose of staying awake? If you studying Torah for staying awake, that's I don't know. So if you studying Torah and you want to stay awake and you need to eat, choose something. There is no problem. There is no problem. Drink, whatever.
Take care, Rabbi.
You're welcome.